After doing my heater core, I could not get this air duct in. I'm gonna show you guys how to put it on. You're gonna come over and take off your negative battery cable. You're gonna come over here, and there's two 10mm bolts. There's the other 10mm, and then you're gonna pull that panel off. And then it's gonna expose what I believe is your body control module. There's gonna be some tabs right there. Use a screwdriver to pop them out. There's one.
Got it. Okay.
There's two. It's just gonna come out like that. There's one clip on this side and another one right here.
Yeah. Got it.
Just like that. There's the two tabs.
Okay.
And that should give you some room. There's two 10 mils going up. You're gonna need a 1/4 inch long extension, just like this, on a 10 mil. And there's two more on this side. That's one, and now he's gonna do the second one.
Got it.
There's a little tab, and it'll remove, and then loosen the next one, and then the two other ones on this side. And then the other one right there. Then we have these 7mm little screws. Now you'll just pull that down, and there's your air duct. And this should give you enough room to move it around.
Okay. Gonna. ¿Ya lo viste?
And then just push back up, and it should clip on there. And now you can put this back up. And then you gotta pull this way towards you, and then push up. And that way you can get the studs that are sticking out and put your screws back in. Put your 10mm nuts back, and then just go ahead and tighten them up all the way. And that should be up. And put the connector back. And that connector should slide right on that tab. Put your 7mm screws back in.
Okay.
And the other one back on. And now you're gonna get your body control module.
Okay.
Put that in, clip. And this tab needs to line up here. Just make sure the tab's going to place and just give it a push. There's one up above here and one right below it on each side. Now you grab your cover, make sure your clips are back in, line them up here, and just give it a push. Now we're gonna put our 10mm back on. And then on the left side. And then if you forgot you put your clip back in, go ahead and put it back on. And then go ahead and test it out. And then if you disconnected your battery, go ahead and put it back on. Now go ahead and test it out.